Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another package to unbag with y'all. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I just want to let y'all know that I appreciate every single one of you for watching and commenting on my videos. So this comes to me from Paint Someway, and I opened the bag, but I haven't pulled anything out of the bag. So let's go ahead and do that and get this bag off my desk. All right. Well, if I can get into the bag. So I've only got 3 items to share. Alright, and that is everything. So I have got 2 canvases and a accessory. So I like that this comes with in a little box. That's cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the accessory, get that out of the way, and then we will carry on. Okay, so this is Lord, how in the world did they get this in there? So this is a 30, oh no, I think I just broke it. It's okay. It will not hurt anything. But that bag, whoo. All right, so this is a baggie compartment, or you can put your putty, whatever you want, but it's for your baggies. So when your diamond paintings come in already kitted up in baggies, then you just take your baggies and you can put them all right here. You can see what you have. Everything is in here nice and neat, and you can fit up to 30 bags in here. And I'm sure, depending on how full your bags are, you could probably get, yeah, you could get 2 bags in one slot if they're not real full. Of course, I've already done this kit, so these are just leftovers, or that would probably be thicker. So this does come in 6 different colors, and as you can see, I got it's yellow and pink, but it does come in 6 different colors, and this was $7.99 on Paint Someway. Okay, so we'll just set that to the side, and we'll open this little partial. And I want to say thank you to Paint Someway for allowing me to do reviews for them. I have done reviews for them in the past, but I kind of quit, and then now I'm back. So let's see. There is the code for this canvas right there on that little baggie. But I will put the links to everything in my description box. So this is they're all poured glue. But I am going to roll it back the other way so it'll kind of lay a little flat. Now this is called Crystal Rose, and it is a 30 by 30. And it was $5.99. Comes with your standard, typical, generic toolkit. They all come with this, basically. This is all you need, which is just your green boat wax and a single placer pen. And then it's got your crystals. So this is what I chose. Now, I usually take, once I get done with my videos, I will take and get this as flat as I possibly can with the this plastic cover sheet. Or I guess I should say I get the wrinkles out best that I can. And then I will stick this in my portfolio for a few weeks, and it will flatten this out, and you'll never see those wrinkles. So that's what I do with them. So again, it is a 30 by 30. There is the item number for this particular canvas. Looks like we have got 6 specials. And I do like that it's on a black background. You don't see that very often. And I just think it's going to make the colors and the crystals and everything pop. So it's only sticky where the crystals go. And we'll look at those real quick. These are, I can already see these are just absolutely gorgeous. Now, I like working on these little partials, especially if you're working on bigger canvases, because these are fun, they're quick. You could do this in one night. And it just cuts the monotony of a great big kit. And it just gives you a little bit of an accomplishment, you know. It hits those, what is it, those endorphins and everything, that you have an accomplishment. But look at those crystals. Do y'all see, can y'all see how colorful those are? And then you've got clear, green, and then you've got these larger ones. They're like these. They're just larger. And these are the same, except for they're in teardrop shapes. Or is that, no, that's not a teardrop. Whatever that shape is. Marquee, whatever they are. And then you got green, which the green, I'm going to assume, are going to be the leaves. But those are so, so pretty. So yeah, for $5.99, that's not bad. And again, this was called Crystal Rose. Now, there are different ones of these. But I like that one. All right, so let's look at this. Now, I think this is pretty cool that it's in a little box. There is the SKU, or the item number, right there. And let's get this open. And that's it. That's all that's in that box. And this is also a partial. So I guess they might be converting all their kits over into little boxes. I don't know. I probably shouldn't have said that because I don't know. But I did notice that some of them are coming in boxes now. All right. So I really like this one. I just thought it was really cute. Now look, these come pre-bagged. I can use my bag holder over there. Just the everyday toolkit. I'm going to take and roll this back. But I thought this was a very pretty, colorful, fun, summer image. And it is a beach scene. And a matter of fact, it is called Coconut Tree Beach. Because, you know, there's the coconut trees, palm trees, whatever. And you got some in the background. And you got birds. I think that's what those are. And then you've got all your tropical flowers. You've got your beach and your water. That is so pretty. This is also $5.99 on Paint Someway. And also, if you go right now and you spend $15, you get 15% off your purchases. So I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, who can't go? I mean, basically, these are like $6 a piece. So right here is already $15. And then you save 15% at checkout. And then I think I have a code. If I do, it'll be over in the description box. So again, this has got 13 specials. It is a partial. And then it says down here, optimal glue, whatever, at 30 to 40 Celsius. Okay. Never seen that on a kit before. So these, even though they're bagged up, y'all, these are like cute little bags. Look at these little baby bags. Oh my God. Look at these little bags. And they're labeled 1 and 2. Looks like somebody did what I do. Just took a marker and just drew on there, or wrote the numbers on here. So that's pretty cool. But is that not adorable? These little bitty bags. Tiny baby bags. But these are all really pretty. Some pearls. Some orange pearls. Ooh, them are pretty. And then look, we have stars. And the green, and blue, and pink. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to say, let's see, what, this is number 12. Yeah. These are going to go right here in the palm trees and the leaves. So those are really cute. I just like that they're in little bitty bags, which is all they really need for these specials. This tiny bags. Have y'all gotten any bags like that? These are adorable. Of course, they're not going to go in looking like they did before I opened this, so it's good. So yeah, very cute. So $5.99. You can have this done in one day, you know. Or if you're, some people like to just work like 30 minutes a night before they go to bed or something. You could have this done in a couple nights. Yeah. So, Coconut Tree Beach, $5.99. Crystal Rose, $5.99. And a 30 bag compartment tray. This was $7.99. So that's not a bad haul. And I would have already gotten 15% off my purchase. Plus, if you use my discount code, I'm pretty sure I have one. Anyway, it'll be listed in the description box. But if you use that, there's another percentage off of that. So, hey, very cool. So, again, thank you to Paint Someway for allowing me to show everyone this. And I know there is a event coming up here soon. And it's, I think, a trip to the beach or something. It has something to do with the beach. That would be perfect. Perfect for that event. All right. So, I guess that's all I got for right now. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. And until my next video, I will see you later. Bye, y'all.